Babe.
What?
Are you excited?
I'm not ready yet.
Babe, that's not how it works with this.
Oh.
You don't get a choice. I'm recording this so it's embarrassing for the future child. Be like, you guys were actually like this? Yes, this is how it actually was. I'm gonna put this in your face and make you uncomfortable. Because I enjoy it. It's because I'm much cooler than her. Oh God, I look like such a loser.
You're a loser.
Don't care. Raven! Raven, where did you lock her in her room again? Did you lock her in the closet? Raven, baby! Where you at? Raven! Did you lock her in the closet? No. Raven? Huh, I don't know where she's at.
Right here. Hi, baby.
She doesn't have a harness, so good luck.
Come on, me. Come on. Come here.
You're not gonna get her, you know that, right? This is like pretty much the second baby, right? No? Okay. Oh, dog prints. Ooh, nice butt. Alright. Headed to hospital.
Hi.
Hospital. I'm excited, I'm nervous. Oh, I got butterflies in my stomach. I'm not good with this. How do you feel?
So we're headed to the first ultrasound. Ryan can't come in the beginning, but then he can come in for the ultrasound. You know, COVID restrictions, so we'll see how it goes. Hey, so we're here at the hospital. We're gonna go in. I'm gonna have the appointment, and then Ryan's gonna be able to go in and see the ultrasound. We're super excited, aren't we? Woohoo! Are we excited?
Nervous. I don't get excited, I get nervous about everything.
I mean, I'm nervous, but I'm excited. It took so long to get here and to appointment because of COVID and everything.
Yeah, COVID can suck it. This obviously really sucks because of that reason.
But now I appreciate all my patients, what they have to go through, because I'm going through the same thing right now. But I appreciate all the people that I work with and everything that take care of all of these patients through this hard time, because I know some people can't go see the ultrasounds of their first babies and everything, and that's really hard. But luckily Ryan can come with me, and I'm so thankful. And then afterwards we'll let you guys know what happens.
Alright guys, so we just got done. Kat can show them.
We're having twins! Oh my gosh, like, Ryan and I are in shock. We're super excited.
Ryan's really in shock. She's understating it.
We're super excited. We're in shock. We're so blessed. They're healthy. They're doing well. They have a heartbeat. We are just overwhelmed right now, but we're so excited. We were not expecting this at all. But we're excited that we can at least have not only one baby, but two babies. Right, babe?
Oh, yes.
Now we have to get 2 more Supras. Yes!
Yeah, so a little surprised would be an understatement, but I'm happy that they're healthy and okay, so that makes me happy at least. I'm just definitely even more nervous and more scared now than ever, so it's going to be interesting for the both of us.
Yes, but we're blessed. We have 2 great families. We have a lot of good friends that are going to be here for us through all of this. It's going to be incredibly hard, but I know we can get through it with everybody by our side, and we are very blessed. We were afraid that we couldn't even have 1 kid, but we have 2 cute little babies, and I'm so excited.
Okay guys, we're back at the house now. So the first part of the video there was our first ultrasound, and today we went for our second one, which I was in a much better mood. I could have recorded today again inside, but I just didn't because I was just like excited. So I'll let Kat talk because I'm just not good with this. I'm just here to sit and listen. She's got all the picture stuff.
Because Kat knows about this. So we were told at the first ultrasound, because I don't know if people know like background about first ultrasounds, but it's not on your belly. So you can only tell and see limited stuff. When you have the second ultrasound and one's way past that, you do it on your belly. You can see more in depth of the babies and everything, them moving and everything. So at the first ultrasound, they thought the twins were fraternal, which they could have been a boy and a girl. But today they can see more in depth and they are identical, which is fine. We're happy with whatever.
If we're being honest here, for me, I was more like, God, we're having twins. And the fact that like, I can openly say, if it's 2 girls, okay. If it's 2 boys, okay. Like I'm like probably one of the few men on earth that doesn't care that like, oh man, I have to have it. I don't care. I just 100%, I just want them to be healthy. That's my biggest scare and fear, that they're not healthy. I just want to make sure they're healthy and they're okay and they can live an awesome life. She's a little bummed out because she wanted a boy and girl, but for me, I'm like...
I did, but...
No, we're being honest here. I mean,
I did want a boy and girl.
Yeah.
It was, like, for me, it was kind of like exciting. I'm like, sweet.
For her, like...
I'm going to have a fraternal twins. This is sweet.
Yeah, twins for her, I mean, that wasn't even an issue for you, the twins part. The twins part made me go, oh God. Oh boy.
Yeah, like, you know, I mean, it's exciting having twins, but then it's exciting having 2 different sexes, you know? I mean, it doesn't happen all the time. But they are identical, but they're doing well. Their heartbeats are fine. They were moving their legs, moving their hands, waving at us.
They were saying, Dad, give me a beer.
Baby B, though, is going to be the brat, and that's always how it is. Everybody knows that works in labor and delivery. That one's always the brat, and tries to take up the room and everything of baby A. So yeah, I mean, we got a lot of pictures, which is nice. I mean, I can show you a couple. This is baby B. Really can't see it too much, but I'm not going to show you.
We can do this, guys. Hold on.
All right. So here's baby B. Little leg right there. Another one of baby B. Hands waving, laying down. There's another one of baby B with he or she's little hand. Another one of baby B. Looks like he or she is like trying to suck on his hand or something. Look at the little ear. So cute. Baby B. Some legs and hands and everything. A little head. And then on here, I think it's baby B still. Yep, right there. Look at the little face and everything. And then baby A. There's a little bit of baby B in there, but there's baby A with its little hand. And baby A, again, scrunched in there with its little hand. Another one of baby A. So cute.
So there you go, guys. There's the kiddos. I know this isn't car related, so right, this is kind of boring. One other thing I wanted to mention too, I've had a billion people, you know, hit me up asking like, I want to buy you something, we want to send you something. Kat is making a list. If you guys want to, I'm not asking for anything. That's the last thing I would ever do. I've just never asked for anything. It's always been like, if you guys want to send me something, I have the P.O. box below, but if you always want to send me something, that's up to y'all. Don't matter to me, but Kat is making a registry or however that works. I'm not good with all this stuff. I'm definitely the typical guy, like, I don't know, and ask the woman. I have no idea. But she's making a registry and she'll have it posted down below, or you can click the link up here, guys. Yeah, I mean, if you want to talk on that, if there's anything in there, if anything like you actually need, is going to be diapers and wipes, I would assume.
Yeah, lots of
with
diapers.
2 of them coming.
Lots of diapers,
wipes. And a robot that does butt wiping.
Body wash and stuff like that. But yes, we're gonna do a baby registry. So I like to be organized about stuff. So basically everything's gonna be on baby list. I don't know if you have the app or you can go online.
These are mostly men, so probably not.
So go on baby list, get your girlfriend or wives. If you want to send us something, we don't feel obligated. We are not asking for anything, but people have been reaching out to us, asking what they can get us. So we appreciate anything, anything.
Help a brother out. Your help today could save my poor soul. Today.
But so on baby list, our registries will be Target, Amazon, Bye Bye Baby,
Summit Racing, Powerhouse Racing,
no,
Borg Warner.
Bye bye baby, and
You tell them.
I don't know what else. Yeah, I think that's all. I think it's those three: Target, Amazon, and bye bye baby.
It'll be down there though, guys. Again, thank you for everyone that said the kind words, everyone that's reached out and messaged me. Definitely, it's a lot for me. I didn't plan for all this. We wanted one kid, so it's a little shock for me, but I got her. So my wife works in labor and delivery, if I've mentioned that before, so she's a bit of a trooper. It's me that's the one that's like, take me, carry me.
I'm not everything. I'm used to helping moms with their babies, not babies coming home with me. But I have to say that if I did not work in labor and delivery, I'd be a lot more nervous and anxious.
Sure.
But I know it's different when you take your own baby home. But I know the girls I work with, I can trust them with anything. I know the doctors I work with, the midwives, I can trust them with anything. I know the nursery staff. I know the neonatologists, if my kids have to go to the nursery. I know all those people. And that's the most important thing, because so many patients freak out because they don't know the stuff I know. But I am so thankful. And yes, it's a shock for having twins, but hey, I believe God won't give you stuff you can't handle. So we were blessed to have 2 kids. So I'm sure it will all work out in the end. It will be stressful, but we'll get through it.
Yep.
We'll get through it. And if you want to babysit, message us.
I'm taking volunteers now, please, dear Lord.
And I am a health freak. Like,
You're right. I see you eat a whole bag of potato chips. Health
no,
freak,
like
my butt.
health-wise, like, don't want my kids getting sick. That wise. I know you can't protect your kids from everything.
They'll be all right.
But,
give them some Tylenol. They'll be fine.
But it will be different because I already am taking care of 1 kid.
Yes.
So, I mean, now I'm going to take care of 3.
See, I drink medicine all the time. That's how I stay married to her. See this? This is how I stay married for this long.
No, this is what created twins right here.
Probably power of Keystone. But all
Don't
right, guys.
drink Keystone.
Thank you very much. Again, if you do want to help out, the link's down below.
Thank you guys. Appreciate it.
Later. Peace.
Peace.